So we got the 6.0 behind me. We're going to be getting it ready for etch primer, just like the one behind us, the 5.3. We done got in etch primer. Etch primer is a good way to make your paint stick to the cast iron. So this video might be helpful if you guys are considering doing your engine, painting it, and maybe using etch primer. So the first thing you need to do is cream your engine. I got two videos in the description below. One is how I personally cream my engines, and the other one is how you can use a pressure washer and clean them too. We cleaned the one over here behind me that way. So two videos, description below. So once your engine is clean, you pretty well need to get your etching primer and a Scotch-Brite. But before I personally can go ahead and get my Scotch-Brite ready, if you notice, I have assembled this engine and I got oil all over this. So what I'm going to do is just take some brake cream and spray this oil off, and then wipe it down with a rag and hit it with some more brake cream. At least 2 times, and that personally should get the oil off of it, and I'll be able to hit this with some etch primer. Yeah, that's a new harmonic balancer too, guys. So let's just spray this off. Yeah, brake cream works pretty good for prepping in the engine. Go ahead and spray this side now. So now I'm just going to take my old t-shirt and wipe this off, and you can see the oil is just evaporating off this motor. Wipe it down, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray it one more time, and then we get to the Scotch-Brite section of this video. So what I am doing is taking this red Scotch-Brite here, and I'm just going over the whole engine just like so. And what that does is scuffs this old paint, and it helps scuff the cast iron up, so your etch primer has a better chance at bonding. Now you need to do the whole motor like this. Take your time, because you want your paint have every chance it can to stick. Even though it's an etch primer, it will etch in. You still need to prep it before you do it. So take your time, red Scotch-Brite, get these at your auto parts store, and they ain't too expensive. Get you 1 or 2 of them, scuff your whole motor down. All but up here, don't scuff here, because you know you're going to be pretty well putting a gasket here, and you don't want paint up here. But you need to mask this off before painting. Just don't scuff around it, and then you can mask it off once you're done. Also, I'm going to paint this, so I'm going to scuff it up. So just scuff everything down, clean it off with some more brake cream, and then we'll get to spraying. Just like before, I'm basically going to spray this down with brake cream. And what this does is get rid of all that scuff residue and stuff, and some oil that we might have trapped on it. So yeah, just clean it up. What I'm using today is self-etch primer from Rust-Oleum. You can buy it in a quart, spray it out of a spray gun, or you can buy it in a can. I pretty much think etching primer is usually a 1K product, and you know, 1K in a can is fine. So what we're going to do is shake this up, and we're going to apply about 3 coats on it. We're actually going to use the whole can on this motor. Mask your motor off better. Anywhere you don't want painted, you need a mask. I'm a pretty good painter, so that should work out pretty good. We just take our time. So let's get to spraying. Now you want to do this in a well ventilated area. Because this stuff does stink, and it does put out a lot of overspray. So when I'm spraying up around the top here, I'm just going to take my time. Don't want to blow the tape loose, because it's just very on. Go over here, hit the front timing cover. I'm going to watch my seal. Oops, I was watching my seal. I forgot to tape it. and that we can scrape off where the water pump goes. So, ain't worried too much about that. So it's getting dark. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. I'm going to go ahead and coat this motor at least 2 to 3 coats. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. And I'll tell you how many coats I used out of one can. Oh, I'm also doing the valve covers. So this is after 2 coats, and it's turned out great. I mean, it looks extremely good. I unmasked it. It's actually ready for base coat, clear coat, which will be on another video. I link in the description one we already painted, but the video that I'm going to do on this 6.0 will be more detailed than the video that's in the description. But if you're looking to paint yours, maybe that base coat, clear coat video will help you out for now till I get the other one up on the channel. The 6.0 now has its etching primer on it, so does the 5.3 behind us. If you were looking to do your engine in etching primer, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful. I have used it on many of the engines. You can see it on my channel. The 3rd Gen Camaro LS was done the same way with etch primer, base coat, clear coat. Same way we're doing the other 2 engines. That's coming up in a video soon. So if you're new, get subscribed. You don't want to miss that. But if it was helpful, comment, drop a like. You know, enjoy hearing from everyone. And I appreciate you watching. So, stay tuned. More content to come. Thanks.